So students, so simple, you can press the space bar once and then the type of the next word. So this is the space bar between the words. So with this you able to type the sentence. Now next, creating new lines and spaces between the paragraph. So how you can create the new line? So simple, press the enter key. The enter and return key is used to create the new lines and space between the paragraph. So make sure that the cursor is flashing from a new line, and it is also used to authorize instructions asked for the computer to perform. So simple, you will simply press the enter key. With this help, you can create the new line and space between the paragraph. Guide for the typing. The cursor key serve as a guide for the typing. So cursor is, this is our cursor and this is always blank. This is the blinking. So this blinking is actually guide us for the typing. So they can be used to move the position of the cursor, and the cursor is the small downward line that flickers in a sentence. This is the flicking, means blank. Clear? ये blink हो रहा है means this is the word is called the flickers in a sentence while typing. Move the position of the cursor by clicking the position with the mouse. So when you click anywhere, so it's set the position of your cursor. So from there you can easily able to start the type. Now we understand the pointing devices. What is the pointing device? I think you all know the pointing device. We have the mouse. So the mouse is actually called the pointing device. So mouse is a pointing device used to point a particular place on the screen and select to perform one or more action. It can be used to select menu commands, resize window, selecting action from the screen icon. So different types of operation with help of the mouse we can easily do this. A mouse primarily comprises of the three parts: the button, the handling area and the rolling object. By default, the mouse is configured to work for the right hand. The left hand person can change the setting as per the needs. So we can also change the setting of needs, but that is mostly used for the left hand side. So this is the position how you can hold the mouse. So this is the positioning of the figure while holding the mouse. So this is a way you can easily hold your mouse. And this is the mouse button, right button. This is your left button, and in the between parts is the scroll wheel. So this is the way, this is the mouse button and how to hold the mouse, and this is the position of the fingers while holding the mouse. So mouse pointer, we learn about the mouse pointer. The mouse pointer allowed to point on the screen. This is our mouse pointer. So this is a point the our screen. The pointer change as shown below. So this is the pointer symbols. The mouse pointer will appear as you move it around the screen. So it will always appear when you move. So you can see there is different positioning of fingers on the mouse. This is the incorrect way. This is not the correct way. These all are the incorrect position of mouse. Only the correct position is this. You can see there, this is our thumb. Means thumb you can hold and that side. And this is our means index, this is our index finger. Clear? So this is the right way of positioning. So you can see. Now we see the mouse operation. All mouse do not use the same mechanical operation, but all of them accomplish the same task. Some of them use a tracking ball at the bottom, and some of them use a type of light beams to detect the motion of the mouse. Laptops are equipped with a small flat surface or sometimes with a very short stick for performing same job as a mouse. So I think you also see into the laptop there is a quick. Clear? So this the flat surface is also work like the mouse. The most conventional kinds of mouse has the 2 or 3 buttons on its top, and these buttons are used for the different action. Using left button of the mouse, different operation like selection, dragging, moving and pasting can be done with the help of the line. So I think you all know the mouse has defined use for the left button mostly, but you can also change it. With the right button, we can open the context menu for an item if it is applicable. So the common mouse action are follow. Click on the left. So it use the select an item, press down once on the left button with your index finger. So with the help of the index finger, we can use the left click left button, and double click it is used to start a program or open a file, trigger an action. So mostly very fast you just trigger that action, double click on any file, so that will be open. Right click, what is the purpose of right click operation? So it is used to display a set of commands when you click on the right click on your computer screen. So it actually executes some commands and available options. Move the mouse pointer to the desired position and position your middle finger on the right mouse button. Keeping the mouse still, click lightly with the middle finger on the right button. Drag and drop. How you can do the drag and drop? It allows to select and move an item from one location to another. So simple, you will hold down the left side of the mouse and drag the object. So whenever you uh, click or press the left side button of the mouse, so you can able to drag any object. And next is a scroll. Many applications provide a scroll bar on the right side of the screen. If the page length is more than the monitor or screen length, so you can simply scroll that. So you note down this is the way of scrolling. Blocking. Blocking is another way of selecting text. It is used to select the text that need to edit or format it. Click at the beginning of the word and sentence and hold down the left button. Then the drag along the text and see the beginning highlighted is black. So blocking this is the position of your cursor at the beginning, and just hold down your left button of mouse and drag the text. So this is called actually the blocking. इसे हम कहते हैं blocking, that is a blocking. Okay students, now we see the typing ergonomics. What is the typing ergonomics? Actually this is the sitting postures. How you can, when you want to type anything in with help of the keyboard, so what your position should be, so that is comes under the typing ergonomics. Clear? So let's see the positioning. So this is the sitting position while working on computer. So always remember, whenever you want to work on the computer, so this is your sitting postures. So look at here. According to that figure, you see this is the decks should be approx 680 and 720 millimeter height. Your decks, this is the your decks size. Next, the elbow should be slightly higher than wrist when operation the key. So it should be some slightly higher, clear, in respect of the keyboard. The back support should be at an angle of 90 to 100 degree and supporting the lumbar curves, clear, with the help of the supporting, clear, you can sit. And the hip should be slightly higher than the knees. Next, there should be approximately two or three fingers with clearance between the front edge of the seat and the back of the knees. And your feet should be supported on the floor or by floor rest. So this is the sitting posture according to that figure should be whenever you sit on your computer. This is the position of hand. This is your positions of hand. This is the right way, means correct screen angle view. You can easily view your screen. And this is very wrong way. Clear? Never sit like this. So this is the wrong way of sitting. So students, with this topic we completed our that chapter, that is use keyboard and mouse for data entry, and these two chapters will become in your test in half yearly internal assignment test, clear. So you complete these all. This is your theory part and this is your practical operation. So you just perform these all practical. Which practical parts you will do? Identify the keys and its use on the keyboard. What is the use of the keys? Demonstrate to use the various key on the keyboard. So I already demonstrate you to various keys on the keyboard, and demonstration to type the text, number, special character using a prox key. So how you can type the text, and simple you will press on the key. And practice the correct typing. Ergonomics, when you sit, your position should be proper. What is the sitting postures of your body, that I already explained you. Practice to the place fingers on the correct key of 4 different rows. So I already informed you the home keys. About the home keys, this is the placing finger point. And practice various mouse operations. You just practice your mouse left click, right click, and use also the scroll. So that chapter also has been completed. So simply you also complete your writing, write all the notes and also perform your practical operations.